everyone, welcome to my channel. Menopause isn't for pussies. Today I want to do my 30-day review on my microcurrent device and let you know the ins, outs, good, bad, and all of that stuff. So I purchased this for $40. I will put the link below for everything in this video here. But was it worth it? And what does it do? So the microcurrent device, it kind of sends like low microcurrents into your skin, and it helps to produce elastin and collagen. Does it make a difference? Yes, it does. Is it, like you've had a facelift? No, it's not. But it does make a noticeable difference. I would say my jawline, I have a jowl here that kind of bothers me. This side is actually worse. And I do notice a lift. Like, I want to say it makes my jawline 30–40% better. And hey, listen, for $40, you can't complain, right? And no surgery. And then of course, you have to get the conduit gel that goes with it. And I like here where you can see me applying it. And that helps the device, for number one, not send you, major shocks, but and it also helps the device glide across your face better. Right? So it's helped my neck slightly as well. And it is supposed to help reduce and soften lines and wrinkles. I want to say maybe 20–30% I've noticed a difference. Overall, this little device is worth the purchase. I would highly recommend it. I'm putting the link below. And it just, in terms of pain level, etc., it feels like maybe somebody's snapping an elastic band on your face. Give it some time. It does take a minute to kind of work up to, getting used to that feeling. I also, just to mention this too, before I wrap this up, I have a dental implant here. So if you have dental implants, metal to metal, can get a little tricky. So when I'm going along this side, I tend to just pull back a little bit and don't go quite so hard. Because it can be a tad painful there when this gets near my dental implant. Overall, it's a piece of cake. 5–10 minutes a day is what I do. And it's a good investment for $40. I hope that you like it. I hope that you found this content useful. I sure would love to hear your comments, thoughts below. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.